If you're farming the SODEX airdrop, please pay close attention to this particular video so that you can be able to decide if you continue farming the SODEX airdrop or if you actually just stop wasting your time. If you're actually new to my YouTube channel, ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the bell notification to get notifications so that I can always be notified whenever I drop new YouTube videos. Basically, we'll talk about airdrops, crypto, and how you can be able to make money on this particular channel. So if you're interested in those, make sure you subscribe. So let's actually announce that the season 1 airdrop is going to be 150 million Soso. But right now, I would like us to consider these details. Let me head over to my X page. This is actually my X page. If you're not yet following me, make sure you follow me and turn on the post notification. The link to my X page is in the video description. Tap on the more right below this particular video. Tap on the more again, get into the video description and you're going to see all the links, okay? So I actually did this particular post in response to SODEX, what SODEX actually posted. So let me tap on this particular post. So SODEX actually quoted this guy. So let me tap on it. See if I show the translation here. Just follow me so you understand the whole gist. This guy is actually on Diamond and he said 1 SO point 2 Soso, let it go. As long as the price doesn't drop below $0.4, that will be enough for us, right? Then he now said there is still about 14 weeks left anyways. We'll add more on top of that. That means we're going to get more SO points. So let me go back. So now SO Point responded and quoted this his post. Now look at what they said. 1 SO point equal 2 Soso. And they said that will be enough for us. They quoted it. You can see the quote here. That will be enough for us. And I said, man, 1 SO point equal to 2 Soso. I will be the happiest man alive on this planet. I can see his number of SO points here. So now I then responded to this and made a quote. So now I was actually making this quote in line that they are going to share 150 million Soso for the season 1. So I responded with laugh my ass out. SO Point really out here dropping the most beautiful hopium I've seen all week. He said 1 SO point is equal to 2 Soso. That will be enough for us. And then, man, if 1 SO point really equals 2 Soso, I will be the happiest man alive on this planet. So I then responded, bro is literally praying for less money and calling it a dream. So I did a quick reality check here based on the simple mathematics. Still assuming that we're going to receive the 150 million Soso in season 1. Please just follow me so you get the context. So the official allocation is 150 million Soso. Total SO point distributed is 26 million SO points, 1 million per week for 26 weeks. And if you divide that just like we did in the previous video, the ratio is 5.77 Sosovalue token per SO point. So I then continued. He's out there begging for 2, while the team already promised almost 3 times more. That's like ordering a Lamborghini and praying they only give you a bicycle because it will be enough for us. I then said keep stacking your points, whether it ends up 5.77 or somehow drops to 2, every single SO point you earn is still free money. So when I dropped this post, he actually responded. Okay, he actually responded. That's SO point. You can see SO point here. Let me actually show more. Okay, let me read it from his own page because he actually dropped this as a response and also quoted it. So let me go to SODEX, that's a SO points page. This is the official SO points page. And if you scroll up now, look at the post. He made it 4 hours ago and he actually quoted my post. You can see it here. And look at what he said in the number 1 here. 1 SO point equal 2 Soso. That will be enough for us is quoted. That means he's making emphasis on that. Mind you, this is the official SO Point X page. Then he came here and said, how am I dropping hopium if you are spreading a conversion rate 3 times? Then look at what he said in number 3. It is pretty known that not all 150 million Soso will be distributed for so points. Now he now gave me a reference. He said I should go and read SIP 2 proposal published mid 2025. Don't worry, I'll get to this. Then he now said, so I don't know how I am the one that needs a reality check. He now laughed. Then he came here and said, and by the way, with 1 so point equal to Soso, I would receive about 100k Soso. I'll be more than happy with that. Life-changing for me. So if you checked now, he said it here and emphasized it based on quoted. And he still came here and still emphasized it. So right now, I actually went to look for this particular SIP2 proposal. And I'm going to show you right now. So you can actually see it here. I'm actually going to drop the link to this particular page in the video description for those people that need to read it. Just go through it carefully. But in this video, I'm just going to summarize the key points. So you can see it's SIP2 proposal. Unlock Soso tokens to support value chain mainnet launch and ecosystem incentive program. So scrolling up, they now give the summary here. This proposal requests community approval for a one-time unlock of 2 portions of Soso tokens to support the upcoming launch of the value chain mainnet and the SODEX decentralized exchange. Specifically, this includes, so now, an unlock of a 5% to support the initial staking of value mainnet validator nodes, and this second one, which is unlocking 10% of the total token supply allocated for the ecosystem fund to serve as dedicated ecosystem incentives for SODEX and value chain. So if I scroll up now, so you can see that this 5% is for node stakers. That will not be given to us. It is just this 10% that will be given to us. I believe that's clear enough. So they actually voted, and the 4s actually won the vote. So what that means is that 5% is going to go for node stakers, which is 50 million Soso tokens. Then 10% is going to come for ecosystem. That's the SODEX. And they said that is going to be structured within some systems. So let me go back to the post. And that was why I understood when he now said, it is pretty known that not all 115 million Soso will be distributed for so points. So right now we are cleared that 150 million Soso is not going to be shared for the SODEX airdrop, right? Now the big question is, if 150 million Soso is not going to be shared, is it going to be worth it? Especially going at this 1 so point is equal to 2 Soso tokens. Now let me get to my calculator as I do the mathematics. But before I go there, let's take note of my so points. So we're going to use that as an example. As of the 14th of April 2026, when I recorded this particular video, my total so point is 6,051. Let's head over to my calculator. Coming to my calculator now, I'm supposed to do 100 million Soso divided by 26 million so points to get the equivalent of 1 Soso point to Sosovalue tokens. But it has been stated clearly that we're not going to receive the whole 150 million Soso. But he said if 1 so point is equal to 2 Soso, that's going to be enough for us. Right now, let us find the number of Sosovalue tokens. That's going to give us 1 so point is to 2 Sosovalue tokens. You know, initially we used to do 150 million Soso divided by 26 million so points. And that gives us about 5.77 Soso tokens, right? And that 5.76 Soso tokens, we equated it to 1 so point, meaning that 1 so point is going to give us 5.77 Sosovalue tokens, right? But in this case now, we know the ratio of Sosovalue tokens to the so point, but we don't know the amount of the Sosovalue tokens. So what that means is that we are going to assume the amount of Sosovalue token to be X, right? Since we don't know it. So X divided by 26 million Soso is going to be equal to 2 Sosovalue tokens. That's the ratio. This is basic mathematics. So for you to be able to find X now, you just cross multiply. Since this is a fraction, X over 26 million is equal to 2. So therefore, X is equal to 26 million we'll come and multiply these two. So you just have 26 million times 2. So for the ratio of 1 SO point equal 2 Sosovalue tokens, that means what they are sharing is 52 million Soso. But personally, I'm not sure, and this is not a guarantee that it is going to be 1 SO point is equal to 2 Sosovalue tokens. So right now, I am going to guess the worst scenario. So let's say out of that 100 million tokens, let's say they split it into various seasons. It might be 2, it might be 3, it might be 5, we don't know. They've not said anything about that. But let's just say in the worst scenario, for every season, they distribute 15 million Soso. What that simply will just mean is you have 15 million Soso divided by 26 million SO points. So that's going to give us 0.58 Sosovalue token is equal to 1 SO point. Are you understanding it? So for the 15 million, this is going to give us 0.588 Sosovalue tokens. Now let's assume they give us 20 million Soso for the season 1. 20 million Soso. That will give us approximately 0.77 Soso. If they make it 30 million, that will give us 1.15 Sosovalue tokens. And lastly, if they make it 52 million Soso, that will give us 2 Soso. I believe this is clear enough. But remember that my total SO point, as of when I'm recording this particular video, is 6,051. So I'm going to do it for all of the various scenarios. The worst scenario now is the 15 million, and the ratio is 0.58. So I'll multiply this by 0.58. Now let's check the price of 1 Sosovalue token. As of when I recorded this particular video, the price of 1 Sosovalue token, you can see it here, is $0.4. So I'm going to get about 3,509 Sosovalue tokens. And if I multiply it by Soso, which is 0.4, that's the price of Soso, I'll be getting $1,400. As of when I'm recording this particular video, all the money I have deposited into Soso is $290. So right now, I'm in a profit of almost 5x at this worst scenario. Then for 20 million, I'm just going to come and change this, okay? So that it's going to be fast. That's 0.77. I'll be getting $1,800. For 30 million Soso, 1.15. I'll be getting $2,700. Remember, what I have deposited so far is $290. And lastly, in the case where he suggested, that's 2, I'll be making $4,800. So you can see it that even in the worst scenario, this is a profit. My focus is on how I can be able to increase my SO points. Get like 10,000 SO points, 20,000 SO points, 30,000 SO points if possible. Because the more SO points I get, the more Sosovalue tokens I'm going to receive. And how do I get more SO points? By increasing my trading volume. That is what matters. You can see it that you are actually in profit in whatsoever situation or whatsoever scenario this plays out. My advice for you is just to lock in and generate trading volume, and you're going to cash out from SODEX. We are super early on this. So basically, this is the information I actually wanted to pass to you, okay? If you're yet to join SODEX, I actually did a step-by-step video on how you can be able to join SODEX. And I'm also going to leave my referral link in the video description. If you use my referral link, you're going to get 5% point boost on all your activities on SODEX. Tap on the more right below this particular video. Tap on the more again. You get into the video descriptions, and you're going to see all the links and take action right away. So basically, that's the end of this particular video. If this video was helpful to you, or you find any form of value from this video, do what you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification to get all notifications so that I can be notified whenever I drop new YouTube videos. Also do what to join our Telegram community, link in the video description, where we share with you various updates on cryptocurrency and airdrop. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.